Now, let me show you how you can switch courses on Duolingo. So if I open up the app, you can see that this is my current path or the lessons, the course which I'm in. And in the top left corner, you can see the Italian flag with the number 5, which means I'm level 5 on Italian. Right? So if I want to switch to something else, I can click on the icon in the top left. Just make sure you are on the home screen because you might be in these like different sections. Click on the home in the bottom left at first. And then in the top left corner, you can proceed by clicking on the actual flag, right? And as you can see, I have a couple of different courses added already. So aside from Italian, I also have Spanish, right? So I can click on Spanish where when it switches over, like that, you can see that in Spanish I'm level 66, right? I can click on it again and switch to the German in here, for which I'm level 115, right? And that's how you can switch between the courses in here. If you, however, want to start a new one, you can as well expand it like this, and at the end of this selection, you should see a blank course button, which has the plus icon on it. And now when you click on the plus, you're gonna start a new course, which by the way has to be something specific like chess, math, or music, or you can as well continue with the languages. So you can see I can add French, Japanese, or any of those which I want, right? Which are for English speakers. But below, as you can see, it is for other languages as well. So if you, for example, speak German, you can learn different languages, but from German, right? So you can learn like Französisch from German, right? So you can learn French as a German speaker or any of those languages in here. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if that's the thing which you are looking for. Obviously, once you pick the actual language, you kind of just have to go through the setup, right? It will switch the language UI and everything, but it's going to guide you through it, and it will just add the new course in there. So if you have any specific questions, make sure you check out the Duolingo videos on this channel, or just leave a comment below and I'll probably get back to you. So let me know what you think, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the next uploads.